Hello, today we're going to show you how to set up a software-based audio and MIDI sequencing system. I'm Megan.
I'm Rachel, and in this room we have loads of technical stuff. We have our keyboard, which is our MIDI controller, which has two MIDI cables which go to USB in our computer here. We also have our mixing desk, which we use for audio, and our XLR cables to connect our dynamic microphone to our mixing desk. We also have our jack-to-jack cables for the speakers.
Okay, so this is how the whole MIDI thing actually works. So if you play something on the keyboard, you can hear it automatically coming out of the monitors. So basically when you play something on here, it measures how hard you hit the keys and sends that electrical signal through the MIDI cables in the back of the keyboard. And so the electrical signal is sent through to the USB port in the back of the computer. And then, and then it's sent back round to the desk into the playback in holes, which sends it to the monitor holes, which sends it round the back into the monitors, where you actually hear it. Okay, so to record on MIDI, you have to add a new track. Make sure that it's on software instrument and click create. So here it has instruments that are already on the system. So yeah, let's just go with electric piano. You click the record button and play anything on the keyboard. Stop. And then stop. And then so if we were to play it here, it will play back what you just recorded. Okay, so you have to open Logic, and it comes up with your new tracks window thing. You have to make sure it's on audio and not software instrument or external MIDI. Click record enable, otherwise you can't record anything. Click create. You've got your audio track.
You get your XLR cable, and you get the male end, and you put it into the mixing desk. Then you get your female end, and you put it in your dynamic microphone. Make sure you hear the click, because otherwise it's not going to be in properly. And then because it's an audio track, we want to make sure we don't want the microphone to hear the speakers, because it will be a delay and it will also cause feedback. So we plug in our headphones and we turn our monitors off. Okay. So then on to our recording. So we've got our audio track on Logic. We're ready to record, making sure the record button's on. Then I will put my headphones on and I turn my microphone on. I scratch the top just to see if it can hear me. So now we're about to record. So hit the record button. This is an example of how to record audio tracks on Logic. And then we can stop. And there's our audio track. So if we played that back, you'd be able to hear tracks on Logic. And then we can... Okay. How the audio goes through our system. So when I'm talking to the microphone, it comes out the monitors. Now, it's how it gets there. So, my voice goes to the microphone. Hello, microphone. The microphone goes through the XLR cable, which connects to our mixing desk here, and it goes through the channel and then it goes through these ones here, which sends it to our computer here, and our computer uses it for logic, as you can see up here when we're recording something, and then the computer sends it back to the desk, and the desk finally sends it to the monitors. So, hello! And that's it coming through now. The way to do it is you go to your bar up here, where it says Logic Pro and other stuff. You press File up here. And if you haven't saved it yet, you go to Save As. Also, Shift, Command, S for a shortcut. And so I press that. Now I'm going to save mine in my Logic folder. And I'm just going to call it Example. Now I go back down here and press Save. And as you can see, it saved it. Now if you've already saved yours, you basically do the same thing, although when you get to File, you just do Save. And then it will automatically save it, and you're done. The shortcut for that is Command S. So, but it's always better to do up here. Yeah, done. We hope you enjoyed our video on how to record audio MIDI files.
Yeah, and I hope it was basic enough so you understand it.